I just got a whole bunch of smart home stuff sent to me from a brand on Amazon called Gosund. I'm going to be opening all this up today, giving you a quick idea of what it does and how much it costs, which is surprisingly cheap. Everything here does not need a hub to operate. You can control it through the Gosund app, and they're also all compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. This here is a smart power strip. It goes for about $19.99, and it gives you 3 smart outlets as well as 3 USB charging ports. All 3 outlets can be given their own name and can be controlled individually, and the 3 USB ports are also smart, but they are grouped together and controlled as one. Here's an example of me controlling this cool fireplace candle warmer thing using Alexa. Alexa, turn on warmer. This is a different variation of the surge protector, and it goes for about $19.99 as well. This gives you 6 total outlets plus 3 USB ports. The 3 outlets on the left are always on and not Wi-Fi enabled, but the 3 on the right are smart and can be controlled individually. For those that don't need all that, here's something for you. It's just a simple single outlet smart plug. Goes for about $8.99. A problem with these is because of the circular shape, you can't fit 2 of them on the same outlet. So this is for people who just want one simple thing controlled and that's it. If you do want something that can stack 2 on one outlet, here's a dual smart outlet. This thing has 2 outlets and they can both be controlled individually. And also, because of its rectangular shape, you can stack 2 of these on one wall outlet. And you'll be able to pick up a 2-pack of these for about 20 bucks. This cool smart table lamp plugs in via USB and can light up as basically any color you want it to be. It can be double tapped on the top to turn it on and off. You can change the brightness of it by sliding your finger on the sides here. And if you press the middle button, it switches to color mode. And now when you use the sliders, the left one is brightness and the right one changes colors. Of course, those are just the physical controls, and all of that can be done through the app. You can pick this up for about $36.99, but make sure to grab any coupon that might be there like you see here. So I also got these 2 LED light strips, one being 9 foot long and the other being 16.4. They both work the same, but the short one plugs in via USB and the longer one has this bigger power adapter. LED lights are awesome. They could be used in so many different places. You can put them under your bed, on your kitchen cabinets, behind a desk, or even on a TV to help with eye strain. The best thing about this is they can be controlled over Wi-Fi, whereas most light strips just use a basic remote. Another feature of these is that they are capable of reacting to music by turning on music mode. The price of these is about $15.99 for the 9 foot and $19.99 for 16 foot. So I've got these 2 smart bulbs here. One is just simply white and the other is RGB, meaning it can change to almost any color. The white one goes for about $8.99 and the RGB goes for $9.99 currently. You can just take these and screw them into any standard light socket you have around your house and then start controlling it through Wi-Fi, which means you'll be able to change the brightness, the color, and power them on and off. You could even put them on a schedule to turn on and off at certain times. Basically all the features of any other smart light bulb, but for a really good price. Speaking of smart lights, these are actually smart light switches, so you can install these into basically any light switch in your house and then control that light remotely even if the light bulb isn't smart. You'll also be able to control the switch manually by just clicking it like a button. So I've got 3 different types here. One is just normal on and off switch, nothing special. The other is a dimmable switch that you'll be able to control the brightness of your lights so long as the bulb is dimmable. And the third is a 3-way switch, which is used for lights in your house that have 2 switches controlling it. Now I don't have a specific spot to put these in my house yet, but this is what it's going to look like after it's set up. And if you're familiar with changing light switches, you should be able to set these up super easily. But if you're not comfortable, obviously just call an electrician and have them help you. The normal switch goes for $16.99, the dimmable is $19.99, and the 3-way is $18.99. Be sure to check out the Amazon links below in the description. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time.